Welcome back for Math with Molly. All right, so for today, you're going to need your math journals. And then yesterday, you would have done your T-chart. So you'll need your T-chart today. So yesterday, we worked on carry, not to carry. All right? So you went around your house and picked up or looked at. So what can you carry? You can carry a block, you can carry a chair, and you can carry a book. What you can't carry, so not to carry. In my classroom, I have a table, a shelf, and a sensory bin. Maybe you did a refrigerator or a dishwasher or a bed. So we should all have different things that we can carry and what we can't carry. So the first thing I want you to do is take a red marker and find on here what you think is the heaviest on your list. What is the absolute heaviest? So the heaviest would be under the not carry. So I'm going to find my heaviest for my classroom is the table. And I'm going to circle that in red because that's my heaviest. Now I want you to take a blue marker or a crayon and you're going to figure out what is the lightest on here, the easiest to carry, the lightest to pick up. So that would be under your carry side. Would my block be the lightest, the chair, or the book? For me, when I held everything, the book was the lightest. So now I have the heaviest, which is my table, which I can't carry, and my lightest, which is the book. Very easy to carry. My block that I had was a bit bigger. Maybe your block is lighter than your book. All right, so when it comes to weights, when we talk about what is lighter or heavier, we can have two rocks that look about the same size, but one might be lighter and one might be heavier, or they could be equal to. Let's try. We'll put the black one on this side and the white one on this side. Which one is heavier? Just by a little bit, the white one is heavier. Okay? So now, if I took a little black one and a very flat white one, let's see which is heavier. The black one will go over here and the white one over here. The white one is heavier today. So, with the things that you can carry, if you have a scale, great, find out which one's heavier or lighter, or maybe you have a scale that you can stand on. Some of you have bathroom scales that weigh yourself. How much do you weigh? Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is get on a scale and see what number. So say you're 41 pounds, all right? So then you're gonna stand on the scale with your chair. Say it's a small chair. Many chairs are small. So pick up your small chair, stand on the scale with your chair in your hand, and maybe all of a sudden the scale goes up to 51, and this is with the chair. Okay? Let's move Miss Molly over. This one is you, and this is the one with the chair. So the weight that is more, you're gonna put on top. The weight that is less than, you're gonna put on the bottom. And then we're gonna do our subtraction to find out how much our chair is. So what is 1 minus 1? Does anybody remember? I have 1 stone. I took away that 1 stone. We have 0. Now I have 5 minus 4, right? So I have 5 stones. Let's use our white stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to take away 4 of those stones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am now left with 1 white stone. So our answer is 10. So the chair on its own is 10 pounds. Is the chair more or less than you? It's less than you because you're 41 and the chair is at 10. So now I want you to take the items you can carry and see if you can figure out what number they're going to weigh. Maybe you have a scale like this and you're gonna put, say you lifted a pencil on one side, and maybe you have, say, small little blocks. And you can put the small little blocks and you're gonna count 1, 2, 3. And so as you brought it down, maybe it's 3 blocks to equal. So your pencil is equal to 3 blocks. See if you can get them to equal out. Or if you have the scale that you're working with, put down your number of how much it weighed after you do your math, okay? So, which one is less? Which one is the most? And then figure out how much they weigh. Whether you use a scale like this, maybe it's a little ounce scale that some people have in the kitchen, maybe it's a scale you make at home with mom and dad. You know, maybe it's outside where you have a log in the middle and then a big board, and so you can figure out what's heavier or lighter then. But go around the home and see a couple of different things, what's heavier and what's lighter. Maybe add it to your list of different things you looked at that maybe you could carry so that you have it for tomorrow. Then put it in with your math journal, okay? Have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll talk more about capacity, measurement, and weight soon.